ready to turn your passion for content creation into a revenue stream. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your website. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand side of the screen and click Add New. In the search bar, type AdSense. You'll see a variety of plugins designed to help you manage your ads. Choose a plugin with good reviews and a high number of active installations. Sitekit by Google is a great option. Click Install Now and then activate the plugin. Now go to the plugin's settings page. The exact location depends on the plugin you chose, but it's usually found in the WordPress menu or under the Settings tab. Follow the plugin's instructions to connect it to your Google AdSense account. You'll likely need to grant permissions for the plugin to access your AdSense data. The plugin will offer different options for ad placement. Choose the locations on your site where you want the ads to appear, such as in your header, footer, or within your articles. Experiment to see what works best. Once you've configured your settings, the plugin will automatically insert the AdSense code into your website. Now, your website will display ads and start generating revenue. Remember to monitor your ad performance regularly and adjust placements as needed. Good luck!